Hi, Jup, ngicela usondele. I would like to say some few things responding to your video yesterday about what Kelly is saying about you. Mina, I would like to suggest, Jup, don't respond, my child. Tell us what Wena you have done for your son since you came back. Since Wena you came back, you eat, you have accommodation, you have clothing. I'm sure even when you're not working, what have you done for your child? I feel it's so embarrassing that when you are telling South Africa, the whole world, that you're buying Christmas clothes for your son once a year and a present for his birthday. That's all. You have done all for your child and you have failed your son, Jup. Please go back and take stock. You have done a lot of things here in South Africa. Good. I'd like to highlight those few. But you have done nothing for your son. Kelly is paying for the accommodation. Let me not go there. Tell the South Africans, when do you pay for the school fees? Do you pay for the transport? When your son Christian is sick, you take him or you pay for medication or he's on your medical aid. Every season, these kids, they grow up. You need to buy clothes for them. Every season, winter, isam iyangena now. Mele siya ama-shops, sothengela abantwana impahla zesam. Wena ukuphi? A boy child, it's a lot, my son. A boy child uyatya. Wena, we are contributor now for a grocery yomntana. You have means, you have resources that you can use to make sure that your maintenance reaches Kelly and reaches Christian. Angeke ucashe behind ukuthi you don't have the access to your child. That's nothing. Having access and maintaining your child are two different things. What I like about you is that you know here in South Africa that there's legislation and umthetho wase South Africa works. Umthetho wase South Africa, you have used it and it worked for you. One, not in a bad way. You were sentenced for whatever years. You knew your rights and you applied for a parole. You got it. Wapuma. Right? Out there, what are you doing for your son whilst you're saving a parole? Good enough. Let's leave that one. Now that you know umthetho was a South Africa, ukuthi kunomthetho la South Africa and sinama rights, why don't you use the same law? Why don't you use the same resources to fight for your son? Why don't you use for the same resources to make sure that your child does not miss out on spending the time with you? Why don't you use the same law? Ngoba uyawazi umthetho and umthetho wakusebenzela wena. So do you think lo mthetho wase South Africa owakusebenzela wena will not work for you to get access to your son? Do you think it's going to fail you now? What are you doing? You have done all. You have failed your son. That's my conclusion. Me alone. Secondly, we've seen you chasing people who are cheating. Why don't you chase Kelly and hold you accountable and give you access to your son? You have the resources. You have the time. You have, resources. Let me say that again. What have you done for your son, Jup? Huh? You are able to hold other people accountable. I give you that. Let's use the same resources for your son. You have done work when you came back. Uthando noxolo, reconciling families. What have you done to reconcile your family, kind of, your son? What have you done? Why don't you use the same principle to make sure that you get your son, you have a relationship with your son. I would like to conclude with you are running away from your responsibility. The reason why you are not interested, you are hiding basically behind ukuthi Kelly is not giving you akafuni ngumntana. That's nothing. That does not exonerate you from paying maintenance. Umntana makatye, umntana makanxibe, unxityiswa ngubani? Kelly was struggling with you, Christian, at some point in time. He was kicked out of school because of his bad behavior. She was going to psychologist for counseling and wala wala. Do you know how much is a session for therapy? Do you know how much it costs to help your son? What have you done? I'm just going to, this is just short for me. It's just that I felt that the worst part, you went beyond and you said she can bring back the birthday gifts and the Christmas gifts. Wow. Can you really settle so low? Can you really, really say something like that? No, my child. Just do better. Do better and show us the receipts ukuthi regardless of the fact that akafuni ukuthi ngibone umntana, I make sure that my child eats, that my child, when he's sick, he goes to the doctor, that every season, if summer iyangena, I buy summer clothes, I pay for his sports, I pay for his recreational activities, I pay for his school. Tell us something, not once a year. Christmas gifts and present. You've done for all. Please do better. Job, you have failed your son. And I'm gonna, as a parent, I'm saying this for the best interest of umntana. I don't know you from any bar of soap. I don't know Kelly from any bar of soap. I've never even met her, even before. But I'm just saying this, because I feel the people who are closer to you are not guiding you correctly, telling you to do the right things, because when you're on your own, you're refusing to do the right things for your son. Do this for the best interest of umntwana. Not wena, not for Kelly. Stop gallivanting and saying izinto. Don't respond. If you choose to respond to Kelly, tell us what you are doing for our son. Then we will level up. But for now, no, my child, uyalahleka. Uyalahleka. The worst part, you say things like, she's saying these things because it's cold at night. Now you are exchanging insults. You are insulting her, implying that she's lonely. No. I think for now, stop chasing people who are cheating, who have chosen to make wrong decisions. Work on getting your son's access. Chase after, use the law that you have used before to get umntanakho and to have a relationship with your son. I hope you take this advice. Even if you don't take it, it's fine. But all the best and God bless you. Jup. Mulimo maaruhanya. Cela ubuye. Dicela ubuye. We are not done. Mulimo. Stop it. Stop it, Mulimo. You are a hypocrite. Don't be a hypocrite when it comes to you being responsible. Stop it. You are a hypocrite. You know, umthetho walapha South Africa uyasebenza. It worked for you when you ran away from your sentence. Ne? You knew your rights. Also, this time around, use the law. Yes, South Africa, that you used. Stop it. Don't be a hypocrite. Use the law that you used all the time. Use the resources that you use for other things and go and get access to your son And even before you get your access, whilst you are still fighting for the access, maintain your child. Your child needs accommodation, needs schooling, needs a therapy, needs all those things. And he needs your presence. Stop it. Don't be a hypocrite. Don't fix other people's problems whilst you're not fixing yours. What's wrong with you? Huh? You're gallivanting all around, fixing other people's problems, but ezakho, you're not doing anything. Uhlulekile, and you're hiding behind Gucci. Hey, Ukeli doesn't want to umntwana and whatever. One day, Christian will come to you. That day must come. It's been a long time. Your child needs you, and pay maintenance. Babgeld. Don't use an excuse. Don't use an excuse. Play your part. Stop it.
Wema uJubJub shaya ivideo la. Uthi uJubJub uKheli uyamnqabela ukuthi abone ingane yakhe yimbi lento ayenzayo. Valela ingane ebhodleleni. Ye. OJubJub bese kanje. OJubJub bese kanje. Nini uKheli Khumalo bekhala ngokuthi uJubJub akondli. Ese kanje uJubJub. Niyazi indaba engayekhoti ngoba phela uyaboshwa uma wengane menqaba nale yonto. Yazi ngobani? Receipt. Akakwazi ukuye ekhoti athi uNonhlanhla Kheli Khumalo uyanginqabela ukuthi ngibone ingane yami, but every month ingane ngiyayondla. Kwi-school fees ngiyacontribute, kumalume ngiyacontribute, ekudleni ngiyacontribute. Uyanginqabela, inkantolo imbize imbuzo ukuthi unqabelani ngoba ubaba uyayondla ingane or whatsoever reason. We understand? Kumnandi yini ukuthi eyakhe ingane yakhe Kheli Khumalo ingane zithi esikoleni le ingane phela yazi abafana bamanje ave sebondla. Abafana bamanje nje ave sebondla Nkosi yami. Uhlangana nengane ingayazi, xoxele ngobaba wayo uthi uyayibingelela ivezi inkomishi ithi thenga ubaba. Yabo nje lento yokuba nobaba manje isistayela. Akusafani naqala. Qala abantu abaningi babengenabo baba. Thina nje sasinobaba nje futhi ukhulume nawe ubuyele nganeno because akekho vele umuntu okhuluma ngobaba. You understand? Uzoloku uthi ubaba wena wedwa, abanye baxoxe ngobaba. So manje abafana bamanje bayondla, abafana bamanje bayashine up. Bayashine up manje abafana bamanje. Le yakho wena ikhuluma ngobaba. Kodwa ukhona ubaba ka TV photocopy yakho. Kufanele nse akubuza ukuthi ingane yaJubJub le. Akakwazi ukuye ecourt, yikheza ku social media because akanawo ama receipt ukuthi ngiyondla. Yindaba uKheli Khumalo angakaza afonela esikoleni. Thiwa hayibo kwenze njani? Thiwa hayibo kunendoda la. Kunendoda la iphethe inqwaba yo plastic be Nike, phethe grocer, phethe plastic baka Shoprite, imoto iyanyinyizela. Uthi ulethele ingane yakhe. Simvumele yini? You understand? Simvumele yini? Ayibone noma u30 minutes ke at least nangu ilethele ukuthi yena lo uyithambisa ngani inhliziyo yengane. Uyithambisa ngani inhliziyo yengane? Akathathi angayindaba makuKhisimusi angathatha udadewabo kaKheli ngoba sekucace ukuthi bane relationship. Athatha udadewabo kaKheli kuyiwe esentini kudilizwa amahenga mase kuthiwa hayi ke hambisa. Athi noma yes athi noma esitshela la ukuthi uKheli Khumalo uvalela ingane. Athi angazi uyivalelelani ingane ngoba ngiyayondla nokuyondla. NgoDisemba kade ngithenga impahla zaKhisimusi. Nini bengenza ukuthi nokuthi. We understand? Manje nje ukhala ngokuthi yena akayibona ingane. Ingane endala kangaka, ingane ene cellphone. Nayo kushuthi ayifoni ukumcontact. Kunzima yini ukuthola uJubJub? Akukho nzima ukuthola uJubJub. Nayo kushuthi ayifoni ukumcontact. Naka gogo kushuthi vele abana relationship. Naka gogo kuthiwa vele abana relationship. Mina nje ngeke mina ngithi uPlutha akangakhulumi nabantu kaBubu. Uneyinamba zobaba omncane, ukhuliswe obaba omncane, ukhuliswe ogogo, ukhuliswe auntie. There's no way ngingamvimba. Yayizo into enjalo. There's no way. Mina akekho umuntu mina ke ukuthi phela ekhaya yiki intombazane. Mina kodwa iy'ngane zabhuti wami zinayo inamba yami. Angeke omawazi bayivimbe ukuthi zingakhulumi nobhuti wami, zizokhontaktha mina ngoba mina zingijwayela ngithi. Uzosho athi lalela uma uthe nginganikhulumi nani mina ngifuna ubaba mina. Uyangi-understand? Uyayazi ingane uma isifuna ubaba ayikho into ozoyenza. Tshela mihla namalanga ngifuna ubaba, kwehla iperformance esikoleni kunyiwe. Ubizwe esikoleni kubuzwe kuthiwa na ingane ingaperform kwenzakalani. Ibuzwe na ingane uzukubiza futhi lo ofunda ezikoleni eziright. Kuze kubizwe ama-social worker azobuza ukuthi ingane idliwa yini esikoleni. Ubuzwe yini? Hayi uma akafuni ngibona ubaba. Uyayizwa lonto? Abiza uKelly Khumalo adiscipline ukuthiwa cha, vumela ingane ibone ubaba wayo. Shuthi naye ayifuni. Sikhuluma ngo2 years la. Shuthi naye ayifuni nayo. Ayifuni. Ungahamba ngisho uyothola ischedule sayo sebhola ukuthi lidlala nini ingane ibhola. Ubonakale lapha e-stadium uhleli nabanye abazali. Ithi mayithi yaqalaza yakubona ukuthi ukhona. Ithi yaqalaza yakubona ukuthi ukhona iyabhukuda yakubona ukuthi udlala ibhola. Ufikile wazayibona noma ngabe kuthiwa ne-protection order. Akuvumelekile ukuthi usondele eduze kwayo. Kodwa ufikile wayibona just like in the movies. Nina you don't watch movies. Anibazi ukuthi abafana mase befuna ukubona izingane zabo benza kanjani. Makuyi-birthday yengane ungathumela ngisho ikhekhe esikoleni. Thumela ikhekhe kufika usisi wamakhekhe la azodeliver ikhekhe, deliver nama cupcake. Ngikuxoxela, deliver nama cupcake. Uzoshiyela ingane. Uthi afika ingane izi2 baba ufike wangiphathela ikhekhe, ungishiyela ikhekhe esikoleni. Sengamana kufonela kuthukela ukuthi ufike washiya ikhekhe esikoleni. Ungathatha ngisho ikhekhe uhambe uyolishiya kagogo. Ungathenga ngisho impahla eNike uhambe uyoyishiya kagogo. Ujubujubu nje akamusa ukuganga. Ufuna thina sibuka uKelly Khumalo njengomuntu omubi. I don't know ukuthi kunjani ungabi nayo baba wengane. Angazi ukuthi kunjani ukuba nobaba wengane ongekho present. Uyangi-understand? Angazi ukuthi kufila kanjani. Cause mina ngaba umuntu onenhlanhla, ingane yami nje yahamba incane kabi ingahlanganisa u1 yayokhuliswa kubo. But ngiyayibona into engahlali kahle nakumina engeke ihlali kahle. Angeke ihlali kahle ukuthi ingane endala kangaka umuntu uzoloku ethi mina ngiyinqabela. Wenzani ngama birthday yayo? Yini okuyenza? Wakwalithumela ikhekhe? Awukazi uzulithumele. Wathumela ama-Air Force, iphi ingane engayithandi i-Air Force? Wakwayithumela i-Air Force esikoleni? Wakwayithumela i-Air Force kagogo? Awukazi. Wake wenza igrosa wahamba ama-cereals wahamba wadaxaza kagogo since uzwana nogogo? Awukazi. Awukaze ngisho uzufakela uZandi ngisho imali ke uZandi angashoka ukuthi imali iphuma kuphi. Kuthengwe ukuthi sekuthengiwe mayesethi hayi ubaba kabani. Hayi kahleni bo. Uyaganga ujubujubu. Uyaganga. Yena kaveza ama receipt la. Njengomunye ubhuti yanqala ukukhuluma ngaye yase ngammention kakhulu ezintweni zami. Omunye ubhuti lapha ka Facebook osomabhizinisi kwathiwa kondli bemkhulumi niyazi wenzani? Wathi ama receipt makuvela kuma proof of payment shuthi kwakuno mhlawumbe 100 rand a week. Bethi bayakhuluma onhlenhle. Hayi ondli ingane wathi hayibo ngisuke ngithenga isinkwa. Buka nama date nayi nje imali. Thina ke esaziye esinefair esineqiniso. Sathi masibuka imali ayifakayo ngenyanga. Sabona ukuthi le mali right. Noma engayifaki ngokulingana. But uthola ukuthi ufaka 1000 wafaka 15 yabo kanjalo. Sabona ukuthi awuyalenza iqiniso lo. Aphinda afaka imali yesinkwa in between. Sabona ukuthi uyalenza iqiniso. Kufuneka into enjalo. Kufuneka into enjalo bakwethu. Kufuneka into enjalo. Akubonakala ukuthi unemizamo. Ibirthday engane yaziwo wena. Thina nje masikhuluma ngodedi, sikhuluma ngama birthday yethu ukuthi udedi wayefika shiya ikhekhe elibhalwe igama. Ingane feze zibe nama memories ngawe. Ziyakhula inwele zami yazi. Next thing ngifuna ukuba isiqubu. Ngiyojima. Ngifuna ukuba isiqubu. Ngifuna ukuba u38 years. Ngifuna ukuba ingane encane na 38. Ngifuna nje ukuba isiqubu.
There is a trending video of Jub whereby he is explaining or rather should I say, he is talking about his experience being prevented from seeing his child by the mother, who is Kelly Khumalo. And I have seen a number of responses. Some of them are encouraging, and some of them are actually very disappointing because you find people being negative towards Jub Jub, saying he must stop seeking attention on social media. Jub Jub must maintain the child and stop what he is doing, as if maybe because he's not maintaining the child, he deserves to be blocked from his child. Some are saying he must go to court. But I feel that people are talking from a position of ignorance and lack of knowledge and perhaps emotions, because Kelly is also entitled to go to court. She has all the rights to approach the maintenance court and claim maintenance on behalf of the child against Jub Jub. She cannot use lack of or failure to pay maintenance by Jub Jub as reasons for her to prevent him from seeing the child. Kelly can also go to court and advance reasons as to why Jub Jub must not be near the child or their child, why Jub Jub must be restricted or limited in terms of accessing the child. In other words, she can use Section 28 of the Children's Act 38 of 2005 to say either she wants his rights terminated, his parental rights terminated, for reasons that she can advance, and the court will decide if the reasons are fair against the child and they meet the best interest of the child standard. She doesn't have unilateral rights to decide if Jub Jub cannot see the child. It is the court under these circumstances that can make a decision. So people must be reasonable, put aside their emotions and their ignorance, and reason when they approach these matters. But I am not surprised as well to see some of the comments, because parental alienation has already created its own kind of society. There are people who grew up without their fathers and they don't see anything wrong. Actually, they are surprised. Some are mothers who are victims of fathers of their children who are absent from their children, and some of the fathers are deliberately absent from their own children. So you can see some of the things via the comments that this is trauma. This is not reasoning, it is trauma. So people must reason when they talk on social media.
Uthi Jub lamaswidi amaningi ucela nikhulume na Kelly Khumalo ayekele ukumkhuluma kabi kuma podcast, perhaps lokhu ukusho ngemva kokuthi Kelly Khumalo avakala yakhuluma kuma podcast uthi Jub Jub akondla umntwana, vele akanandzaba nemntwana, vele ungibabe lo absent, uyabona. So yena uthi khulisela umntwana esikhathi sejele noma nyala ngaphandle kuyafana into yinye. So Jub Jub ukhulume lokho wathi ucela abantu ukuthi bamtshele Kelly Khumalo ukuthi ayekele la yendako, yena uyafuna ukubonana nemntwana wakhe. Abantu baphendula bathi hayi baba, thina nasibhizi ngento zethu, wena uphonga usigijimisa ngemakhamera. So nyalo sikulekelele njani wena masenkingeni, ngoba siyokulekelela mase uthola umntwana wakho usigijimisa emakhamera. Kanti why nyalo ungathathi le uyajolana inani ugijimise Kelly, ufuna umntwana wakho, lo mntwana wakho lobambitha ngokuthi ungijubula amaswidi lamancane obafoni. Yebo, Jub Jub uyabalisa inhliti yakhe angathi orishela etulo orishela phasi, but bantu bathi no cha thina asingeni. Wena nangabulwa na Kelly lwa naye, perhaps thina sitawuhlala sibukele njengoba sibukela uGeneral Sibiya, asifuni ukuthi ngene. Kelly Khumalo labangamati nguye umuntu oqala ukuveta iwewe ngekhasi yakhona aculele ngoba le ukuthi umkhwenyana wami ubetha ngilale ngedwa. Yeah, so nguye lolwa naye babanga lo mntwana lomncane bathi ngu-obafoni. Yes, perhaps.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are dragging Jub Jub ngemva kokuthi ende video speaking about Kelly Khumalo, saying ukuthi Kelly Khumalo akafuna abone mntwana wakhe washo ukuthi uyathenga impahla zeChristmas, uyathenga nema-birthday presents awalethe, ufuna kwenda lo mntwana ngazuthi amvalele ebhodleleni, akafuna ambone, akafuna lutho. Uthi njena uhlezi amkhuluma kabi lapha kuma podcast nasetinkundleni tokuxhumana nami ndi deadbeat father kube nguyile angafuni ukuthi abone umntwana. And people are saying ukuthi nana ngeke uzukhone ekukusho lokho. Ukuthi umntwana ufuna impahla nge-winter, ufuna impahla ngesama, umntwana esikolweni, school fees, ama-medications, konke lokho akubalwa nobala kokuthi uthenga impahla ngazo nge-Christmas, ngaleyo Christmas, ngaleyo birthday leyo. Thatha i-responsibility and stop being hypocrites ke sana. Bayamjika lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana bathi njalo ninebu-baby daddy, niyathanda ukudenda ama-victims, nethi hey umuntu akafuna ubona umntwana. Yini lokwentako wena ugijimisana nebantu bo uyajola 99 but unetinkinga leti seriously kumele udile nato? When do you take time ukuthi when you solve takho tinkinga usolve indzaba yokuthi wena ukhone kubona umntwana wakho? Ekela kuba liqoki uqambele Kelly Khumalo manga. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.